Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to show the speed limit on Waze in 2026. This is a useful feature that can help you keep track of the posted speed limit while you're driving. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map screen, tap the menu icon to open the settings. Then select Settings, followed by Speedometer. Look for the option to show speed limit and turn it on. You can also adjust when the speed limit appears and choose whether you want Waze to alert you when you're driving over the posted speed limit. Once everything is enabled, go back to the map. Now, while navigating, Waze can display the detected speed limit on your screen, making it easier to see the limit without leaving your route. And that's how to show the speed limit on Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.